What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys did not see yesterday's video, definitely check it out, as I had a little bit of fun just mounting some random stacks on the back of the truck. Now, I know a bunch of people got a lot of hate and said, stick it upright, it might look better, blah, blah, blah. But, guys, it was a funny video. We still have stacks. I'm not sure if we're going to stick them upright or not, but we did it just to be a little bit different. But obviously today is not about that. Today is actually going to be about the Bruce, and I just got the phone call that the Bruce is done. So I'm going to try to get over there before the sun sets and get a full reveal. If not, you guys are going to have to wait until tomorrow. But let's get the truck and trailer loaded up, and we are off to Kohl's Regal Metalworks to pick up the Bruce. I am freaking excited because the Bruce finally has safety equipment, and you know, doing these bogus tricks and things like that I'm going to be doing will actually be a lot safer, and I don't have to, you know, jeopardize my safety or safety of anyone in the I almost said a truck, in the Civic. You know, I won't have to jeopardize anyone's safety. So let's get everything switched over. Obviously, I got to do some cleaning up. I hope I can make it there before it gets dark. If not, we're going to have to wait until tomorrow for the big reveal. But let's get everything loaded up. That's a terrible spot for stacks. I don't know why anybody would put a stack right there in somebody's face. Unbelievable. Alrighty, well, we got the truck and trailer all loaded up, and I officially now see why these are going to be a nuisance. While trying to load this, I think I hit my back on it, my head on it. I hit every limb that I physically could that was this high on this thing while trying to load it up. Let's head off to Regal Metalworks. Alrighty, well, we have the cash, and Cole is actually going to luck out because I have one of these money clips that I've been carrying around, and I kind of want to give it to him. So if you guys don't know, we are doing the OBS giveaway, and you can win the OBS truck that I'm going to picture after this quick little merge plug, and one of you guys are going to win it. So every dollar you spend on senditstevemerch.com is an entry to win. You can go buy a knife like this, which is $19.99. That will give you 19 entries towards winning the OBS truck. So if it's something you guys are looking for, you want to get entered, that's a cheap and easy way to spend under $20 and be entered to win. Also, remember, guys, it's free shipping on anything on the site. So head on over, www.senditstevemerch.com, can get yourself entered to win. And you also get some pretty cool merch, guys. Let's be honest. I mean, we sell knives. We sell such as stun guns. We have knives that, you know, daily knives. Everybody carries a knife, as I carry one daily. You can tell I have one in my pocket actually right now. And yes, it is actually a signed knife that I am going to end up giving to somebody because I've been using it. But this is actually a signed knife by me. So somebody that I run into daily is going to get something like this. I'm going to try to hand out knives periodically when I run into people. So make sure when you see me, guys, you stop and say, hey, Steve, I watch your channel. Somebody is going to win this knife. I'm going to give it to them for free. I've been carrying it around, and I can't wait to give it to a subscriber. So again, www.senditstevemerch.com. Every dollar you spend is an entry towards winning the OBS truck. And this is a cheap little money clip entry. Also doubles as a bottle opener and triples as a knife. So go get yourself entered. We're gonna give this one to Cole. So let's head on over to Regal Metalworks. We're almost there. Oh boy, I can already see it from here, and it looks freaking killer. So you guys might already see that some of this video is going to be a little jumpy, especially now that I'm here, because I don't want to reveal Mike's Suburban. I know a bunch of people have asked, hey Steve, can you reveal the Suburban? But that's not my build, so I'm not going to reveal it. I'm going to try to film away from it. I'm sorry, guys, I got to do it. I got to respect Mike, and I'm not going to film, you know, the Blazer at all. So if you guys didn't know, the stacks are real. They are on the truck. Alrighty, guys. So Regal Metalworks, as you can tell, fantastic job here so far. And I got to give you something. You even get a little a perk. SenditSteveMerch.com. It's a money clip.
Nice.
I figured that was the perfect way to deliver some money to you.
Rock on.
All right, now we can actually look at the Civic. And again, guys, I'm trying to avoid Mike's build. Mike will reveal his build when he's ready to reveal it. So don't ask me in this video. Don't even comment it. It is dark out, so we did have to grab a light. Yeah. Oh, boy.
We did get, so you might want to put another coat on it.
I'm ready to roll it.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that.
No? We shouldn't roll it yet?
Yeah. Well, you got to get some harnesses in here if you're going to roll this.
Definitely.
And you need to get this thing bolted better. There's like one bolt there. There's a missing rail over there altogether.
I'm completely surprised that it stayed in from rolling it. I can't believe it did.
I literally took the bolts out by hand.
Yeah.
They were not in that.
I didn't tell everybody that, but yeah, they were definitely loose. Both seats were like that too. Yeah, I didn't ever anticipate rolling it, in all honesty. I didn't think it would do it.
Yeah, well.
But it looks freaking killer.
Yeah.
I love that I can still get in and out of it.
Yeah,
that was a big worry. I was like, man, how low is it gonna hang? Am I gonna be able to get in or out? And
yeah, like if we had more time, I definitely would have put this up in here.
Yeah,
more budget and made it. You know, this is just basically to get you out of a jam.
Definitely.
But we were able to bolt them to the floor.
So it's tied into basically under the seat.
Floor and the seat mounts there. So there's another bracket that's over here.
Okay.
With that's in. So you got 2 points mounted to the frame in the back.
Awesome.
And underneath you can see.
I see the big thing right now, which I'm actually excited about.
And then yeah, so that's bolted through the floor, and then what you have is welded to the frame. So it connects your unibody to your frame, but it's not permanent. You can unbolt it if you want to take this off. So
see, and that's something we didn't discuss from the beginning. I didn't say, hey, what if I ever want to take the body off?
Right.
We need to leave away. Luckily, you're smart enough to think about that. So guys, if we do need to disconnect the body or take the body off for any reason, say we roll it again and it gets super damaged, we'll be able to just unbolt it from here on both sides, right, and the body will lift off. Everything else will stay intact. So definitely glad you thought about that.
Yeah.
I really want to point the camera at you, but the
light's a little too
yeah, definitely. And then I see a huge thing that you did here for me, which I was a little, I mean, that was probably the main thing that everyone complained about, was obviously the steering column.
Right. And you don't got that problem no more.
It is not going anywhere, guys. That is exciting.
I'll tell you what, when I backed it out and I turned it around, it was 100 times easier.
Definitely.
Literally, like before it was
sloppy.
It wasn't just sloppy. It
backyard built.
I don't even know.
Harbor Freight welded. I did all the welding that I didn't do at Danny's. I used a Harbor Freight welder for. So the fact that it held up as good as it did, that's got to say something for Harbor Freight.
Well, you know, even a broken clock's right twice a day.
Definitely.
But we were able to mount.
I'm going to jump in on the other side here,
yeah, go ahead.
And that way you guys can see everything. Guys, a functioning steering column. This door obviously still works because a couple people were asking if the door works. Yes, the door still works. But as you can tell, like he was saying here, sorry, I'm going to steal your light on this side, but we're bolted into the front here, and then up top you can see it goes through to the actual body.
Solid point there. That is actually solid. You got about 3/4 of an inch of solid material there.
Definitely.
So I chose that to mount, and that's 3/16 inch plate that I drew up and bent and everything like that.
Definitely not going to go anywhere.
Yeah. And then I did the same thing here, and I'll have a video out probably tonight, if not tomorrow, that goes over most of this build.
Okay, awesome, guys.
So it'll be a long one, so I'm not going to break it up in a bunch of parts because
it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. People don't understand how much time goes into YouTube. But guys, definitely check him out on YouTube also. His information is on the screen here as displayed. Regal Metal Works on YouTube, Instagram, everything. He does fantastic work. And if you guys need anything done, definitely check out Cole. Great guy, great craftsmanship. I mean, he's superior in this area. You're one of the best. You are the best.
I don't know about that.
You've done a good job. If I could show the build behind us, I would show everybody like how amazing it is. So definitely, if you guys want
this was a 2-day build.
Definitely.
That was a 3-month build.
Definitely.
There's no we
huge
didn't do
difference.
any gusseting. There's no door support. There's no you know, and that has the whole exoskeleton and the whole interior. But
definitely. So if you guys are wondering too, I did say just pull the headliner out. I wasn't worried about any of that. That's little stuff.
Yeah, we did that. There's some black mold on that.
Yeah,
and I chose to not remove the
Oh, the airbags and everything. The sunroof's still there.
Still there. The sunroof, basically because it has a whole rail around there, so the water collection is there and it routes out. If we took that all out, you would get a lot more water inside the cab.
Definitely.
Not to mention
the windows and the
support into the roof.
The windows, windows and sunroof are always open. Yeah. I don't think we're worried about moisture inside here.
I know, but if we again remove the windshield, it would be like Niagara Falls.
Definitely.
And all the electronics would get.
A lot of people did notice too that the windshield is busted and ask why I didn't remove the windshield. The windshield actually, you know, it basically shields all the electronics underneath the dashboard.
Yeah.
I have all the wiring and everything tucked up here, which it's all in here dry. And same with the rear window. A couple people asked, like, just take the rear window out. Kids can stand up and have fun. Well, we roll it so we don't want the kids standing up out there, for one, and for two, the fuel cell's in the back there, so it keeps the moisture out of the fuel and keeps everything intact.
Yeah. Well, the nice thing about this cage is if you want to add more to it, more supports, some door supports, some gusseting, whatever, we could easily do that.
I'm thinking we do a Jeep doors.
Jeep doors, yeah, we could definitely do something.
Leave the body, do the rest Jeep doors.
Yeah, you could do that.
Really make me have to climb in and out of this thing?
Well, that's what I was saying. If we did do door supports in here, oh god, it'd be
a nightmare to get in and out of.
It'd be easier to go through the sunroof.
Definitely. All right, guys, well, definitely check him out on YouTube and Instagram, Regal Metalworks, as you've seen on the screen earlier. And Cole, I really appreciate you. All right, guys, well, we are locked and loaded. So again, Cole, I gotta thank you. An amazing job well done. Definitely check him out. And I like how my exhaust doesn't actually hit the front of this thing. A bunch of people were worried about, will I be able to tow? We got plenty of room towing the Civic. So let's head back to the house. Alrighty, guys, now you can kind of see here, he builds all of this stuff in-house, guys. So the fact that he was able to bend and do what he did here, it looks absolutely killer. And we've made it back to the house with the Bruce, and I couldn't thank Cole any more than I have now. So again, guys, if you guys need anything local in the Harrisburg area, definitely check out Regal Metalworks. The first, well, it'll be the second link in the description. He did fantastic. He went ahead and even spray painted it for me, just so that it doesn't rust, because it is supposed to rust tomorrow. So great job. We have our harness bar here that we're able to do too. That was one of my my concerns. I want to be able to put harnesses to it. So again, guys, this thing came out freaking amazing. I'm glad that, like he said, the steering column is actually intact now, and we're gonna actually be able to have some real fun with this, and safety won't be an issue anymore. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and don't forget, guys, the OBS giveaway is going to end December 16th at midnight 2019. So definitely get your entries in while you can. Don't wait till the last minute. Don't be one of them people. But I'll see you guys in the next upload. Take care and have a great one. I love it.